There is a huge exchange of money and goods going on under those umbrellas. You're looking at one of the biggest umbrella markets in Port Harcourt. This is my one market. The home of cheap second-hand clothing, shoes, Avon, foodstuff, and everything else in between. I'm going to show you how the market looks like and also try to walk you through inside the market so you can see what is under those umbrellas. Give me a size, way cheap. Way cheap. Oh, yeah, now. I need can. This thing don't tell me to wear. Can, way cheap. I bring my size. No, that one no go cheap. I want to go cheap. You go tell me now.
Let me show you that one.
How much is it? How much is it?
That one? 4-5.
Yeah. I want something cheap now.
Like how much?
I just want to come out this thing while we are now. We have
Like
something
how
else. Eh? How much last?
Cheap like how much?
Cheap like 2,000 now. Maybe they will be this. They will think the cheap die.
Nah, it be the cheap now. That canvas I'll show you now for shop. You know how
Let's
much?
say be a bad guy. I see your face. That one how much?
This one 5,000.
I got wait till that. That don't even enter me to start with.
46, 900, now 47.
See my things. Go back there, go me down and 1 or 2 top price.
I might go back.
You going to see me more? Where they sell them?